Hi guys, a warm welcome you all. In this video we are about to discuss a topic, countable and uncountable nouns. Before getting into the topic, we should know what is noun. The noun indicates the name of a person, animal, place or thing. For example, Raja is my friend. Tiger is the national animal. In these sentences, Raja and Tiger are noun. Here, the Raja indicates the person and the Tiger is an animal. We can classify the noun into two types, that is countable and uncountable noun. What is countable noun? The subject is counted with numbers. For example, here I have mentioned few countable noun. Here I have categorized as a singular, and if we add s to it, it will become a plural form. So these kind of words will come under the countable noun. Then what is uncountable noun? If the subject is cannot be counted with numbers, are called uncountable noun. For example, here I have listed out few words: water, air and sand. These words will come under uncountable noun. These words do not have any plural form, so these words will come under the uncountable noun, and these three words may not be counted with numbers. Here I have given a few exercise for you. Comment your answers in the comment box, and thanks for watching. Keep supporting us. Thank you.